Dust mites, foot traffic, pets, pesky bugs, and insects can all lead to a buildup of dust around your facility. Dusty surfaces can leave a less than satisfactory impression of your facility to your customers and guests. Whether you currently struggle with dusty surfaces or are just looking to maintain your furniture, State Lemon Furniture Polish RTU is the perfect solution. This powerful, ready-to-use solution can be sprayed directly onto furniture or can be used with our handy State Custom Wipe System. In addition to adding shine to your furniture, State Lemon Furniture Polish RTU has a pleasant lemon fragrance that will be detectable long after the area has been cleaned. Its versatility allows you to clean and polish a variety of surfaces around your facility. State Lemon Furniture Polish RTU is excellent for use on coffee tables, side tables, countertops, blinds, and more. State Lemon Furniture Polish RTU, another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.